Hey guys, today I'll learn how to use Google Bard AI Chatbot. So if you guys would like to use or have a quick tutorial of how to use the Google Bard to AI Chatbot, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do the step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright guys, all we need to do first is to go ahead and launch your browsers and your Safaris. And I want you to do a quick search of Google Bard. Now, this will show you the Google Bard website right here. I want you guys to just go ahead and just tap on that. And that's gonna take you to the Google Bard website. And as you can see right here, this is what we get already. Right from the get-go, we can actually go and use the Google Bard AI Chatbot, just like as we would use any other chatbot. Or if you are an avid user of ChatGPT, of course, the same instructions goes here as well. So we need to do is go ahead and enter our prompt over here. We also have some examples that we could actually do to, like understand some economic concept, complex topics like that. We could also go ahead and create some stuff over here, if we would preferably like to, like writing in a skull, text message draft, or interview questions. Basically, you can do anything on here, and all we need to do is type what we want, and Google Bard will send us the answer. In this case, I'm gonna go ahead and tap on maybe travel destinations. I'm gonna tap on next. And as you see, it's gonna give me what I just asked it do. And as you see, here is the results. And that's basically all for this tutorial. That's how you guys could use a Google Bard AI chatbot. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. And I'll see you guys on the next video.